In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive files by generating a link. Sharing files with OneDrive is a convenient way to provide access to your documents, photos, and other files without having to send large email attachments. Let's dive in and walk you through the process. First, you need to start by navigating to your OneDrive, which you can access either through a web browser or the OneDrive desktop app. Once you're in your OneDrive account, locate the section labeled My Files. This is where all your files are stored. Get familiar with this section if you haven't already. It's your main hub for managing files in OneDrive. Now, go ahead and find the file you wish to share. You can scroll through your list or use the search function to locate it more quickly if you have a large number of files. Once you've found the file, hover your mouse pointer over it. You should see three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis icon, appear. This is a common feature in many applications and indicates additional options are available. Click on these three dots to bring up a menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see a variety of actions you can take with the file. Look for an option that says copy link or something similar. Clicking this option will automatically generate a shareable link to the file. This link is what you'll send to others so they can access your file directly. Before you send this link, it's always good practice to customize the permissions. Most platforms, including OneDrive, offer settings that let you adjust who can view or edit the file. Sometimes you might not want the recipient to have editing rights, or you might want to set an expiration date for the link. These options are usually found right before you actually copy the link, so take a moment to set them according to your preferences. Once you've set the permissions, you're ready to share the link. The copied link can be pasted into an email, a chat, or any other platform you're using to communicate. Just press paste, or the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+V on most systems, to insert the link into your message. A quick tip: make sure to give a brief description or a context when you share the link. This will help the recipient understand what they are about to view or download, making it much more informative and professional. Sharing files through OneDrive not only declutters your email, but also ensures your recipient has the most up-to-date version of your document. It's a simple yet effective way